Craft cats. Yay! Meow! Hello everybody. Today I am going to be doing another hotness canvas. We just added spray paint on this canvas because we wanted to experience if it bleeds or not. So if it doesn't bleed, then it would be a little bit better, I think. Or I don't know. I think it was really cool that it bleeded last time. My teacher was really happy about it, and I really want to do another one. It was so much fun to make. So you will need a scratchy tool that you scratch the vinyl with. Beep, 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 beep. Try not to lean in. And then this tool that you can pick up the vinyl with, like this. This one doesn't. Oh, I see the joke. This one doesn't. This one doesn't really have as much words. But can you see what it says? Hoppy Easter. Are we giving this to anybody, or are we keeping it?
Oh, we can keep it.
Okay. So we're keeping this one. Probably gonna hang it up in my room. We don't know yet, but you will need a hair dryer, hair blower, whatever, and we need a paintbrush, like the number one thing. Paintbrush. Okay, and then cotton balls, because we're gonna do something fun with them. And this paint, it looks like sour cream inside. It's the same paint we used last time, but do not eat. It's paint. Sour cream is white, so it looks a lot like sour cream, and it's in the sour cream container, but we know it's not sour cream, it's paint. And we need glue, but we didn't have hot glue, so we're going to try to experience with this one, I think. Yeah, so now let's get started. Board.
Why do you use it?
Because we need to put how do we explain it?
So you want to put something underneath so when you rub on the canvas it doesn't warp.
What does warp mean?
It means like go down.
Yes, I think we learned.
So
we
took off the transfer tape and we did it really carefully and slowly and peeled it back.
Yeah, so we're just blow drying this like last time. I think the blow dryer is giving us more bubbles.
But as long as the edge is sealed, it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Because if we don't blow dry it, we don't keep the canvas up, then the white will run under the words.
Oh.
All your cotton balls are falling.
Flying?
Yeah.
What? I'll get the paint ready.
Actually.
So we're just making it warm so that the white doesn't leak under the bunny and the words. So we just want to make sure that it doesn't leak. Let's get ready to paint. My name is actually Fireball. Yep.
So now we're just going to paint all over the canvas, nice and white.
So we had dried it for a couple hours. Now it's time to, it's fully dried, and it's time to peel this off. So this is not the end. Ta-da! We have cotton balls and glue. So my mom's gonna help me with this part. Yeah. I sort of do one like that. Where does this go?
Just for the tail. That's it. Just the tail. Just do one.
Okay. So
That's good. That's good. Don't do too much. I'm gonna leave it. Okay.
this is my final project, and this is what I learned. You can only let it dry for about 1 hour, because or else it'll probably leak through like this.
Won't be too crisp.
Pardon me?
It won't be very crisp.
It won't be very crisp. But last time, it looks really cute. I can't wait to display this in my room. And it says Hoppy Easter, not Happy Easter, Hoppy Easter. Don't forget to watch my other Hot Miss Canvas video. The link will be down below.
Mama.
Bye! See you guys next time.
Mama.
Thanks for watching.
Kuna.
Make sure you subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you next time.